Hi, welcome back. In the first video in this series, you saw a brief overview of the advanced search function. In this video, we will take a closer look at how this works. Click on the Advanced Search checkbox. This displays the advanced search options. Click on the Search On field. This displays a list of all the fields that you can add to your search. The advanced search uses an AND style query, allowing you to search on multiple fields at once. For example, let's search for a patient called George Davies. In the Search On field, select Family Name. The search field now changes to Family Name. Enter all or part of the name, in this case, DAV. Click the blue button with the plus symbol to add this to the search. Search filters are displayed with the filter Family Name equal to DAV. Next, change the Search On field to Given Name. The search field changes as before. Enter all or part of the name in our example, GEO. Click the Add button to add to the search. Now Given Name equal to GEO is added to the search filters. You could continue to add more search filters or execute the search. If we execute the search now, we will be searching for any patient with a family name starting DAV and a given name starting GEO. To do this, click the green search button. Our patient, George Davies, is displayed in the search list. To change the parameters or start a new search, click the red Cancel Search button. To refresh the patient list, click the blue Refresh button.